Hi everyone, this is going to be an update for our ninth grade health class for this Wednesday and Thursday, the 6th and the 7th. Before getting into our activity folder, I do want to remind everyone that you need to make sure you're keeping up with all of these health assignments. If you're over here, your tab is going to say grades. Click in that tab, and if you see that there are any missings under your assignments, or if you see any of those assignments that you didn't post anything and they're blank, you need to make sure that you go in and complete those assignments right away. And I have been seeing a lot of missings, so I don't want you to get too far behind. Please make sure you're going back and doing all of the work along with the work that I'm going to assign you today. So for this week, you're going to click in our activities folder, and you're going to see two items. Now, the first item is an article that I'd like you to read through, or if you don't want to read through it, this one also gives you the option that you can listen to the article as well. So you would just click right here where it says listen, and it'll read the article to you. But this is an article that is going to be talking about sports drinks and energy drinks. During our talks of our nutrition discussions and with the assignments that we've been doing that go along with the My Plate, the goal of My Plate is for you to get your vitamins and nutrients naturally just by having a proper diet and eating healthy. And if you do eat healthy and if you follow those guidelines, then you should have high energy levels. Some people that do not have high energy levels always go to something like an energy drink or an energy boost, things that are high in caffeine, high in sugar, and those can be very, very unhealthy. This article does a very good job of explaining all of that. All right. Now, once you are finished listening to or reading that article, instead of me having you answer questions, you are going to be required to go into our mandatory class discussion. This is going to be a graded assignment, so everyone has to do this when they're done listening to the article. And I would like you to make one post of your own, which is up here, and then you're also going to comment on someone else's post, after people start commenting and posting in our class discussion. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to comment, maybe writing 2 or 3 sentences that is something that you took away from that article about the sports and energy drinks. You can do that. If you also want to make a comment, maybe you learned something and you realize like, hey, I drink an unhealthy option now. Tell us what that unhealthy drink is, and then also maybe come up with an alternative that you can drink something in place of that might be a little bit more healthy. So that's another comment that you can make. So that's going to be your requirement. You only have to do the minimum of 1 post and make 1 comment on someone else's post once people start posting in the class discussion. All right, that's going to be all your work for this week. I hope all of you have a great week. Please make sure you make up your assignments. And if you have any questions, message me up here or email me. All right, have a great week, everyone. We'll see you.